Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something fundamental in Spanish. Subject pronouns. If you watch our ser versus estar video, great. These pronouns will help you to use those verbs correctly. And if you haven't seen it yet, don't worry. This lesson stands on its own. Subject pronouns are your building blocks for making sentences in Spanish. So let's master them together. In English, you have I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Pretty straightforward, right? Spanish has more options because it shows gender and formality. Here's what you need to know. For singular, we have yo, tú, usted, él, ella. For plural, we have nosotros, nosotras, ustedes, ellos, ellas. Notice how Spanish distinguishes between masculine and feminine also in the plurals? That's the biggest difference from English. Spanish gets specific with groups. Nosotros, it's used when we're talking about either both genders or only males. Nosotras is used for groups where everyone is a female. Ellos follows the same rule as nosotros, so for mixed genders or all males, and ellas follows the same rule as nosotras. Let's try it with some examples. Maria and Ana, they are gonna say, nosotras somos amigas. If you have Maria and Carlos, they are gonna say, nosotros somos amigos. In English, you say you to everyone, but Spanish has two options. The informal you, which is tú, you regularly use it with friends, family, kids, people your age or maybe younger, or overall in casual situations. Formal you, which is usted. You use this with older people, strangers, maybe bosses, or professional settings. Here's something cool about Spanish. You can often just drop the pronoun. The verb ending is gonna tell you who is doing the action. You can say, yo hablo español, or just say, hablo español. And both are correct. If you want to emphasize or clarify something, then you must use the pronouns. For example, yo soy el profesor. Or you can also say, él habla inglés, ella habla francés. And overall, when learning, it's better to use pronouns at first. This way, it's easier to learn verb conjugations. Let's practice a little bit. I'm gonna give you some situations and you have to pick which pronoun you will use. When you're talking about yourself, when you're talking to your friend, when you're talking to a professor, when you're talking about Maria, when you're talking about yourself and your male friend. When you're talking about a group of all females. And there you have it, Spanish subject pronouns.
Yo, tú, usted, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, ustedes, ellos, ellas.
If you want to structure practice with these pronouns and interactive exercises, definitely check out Fluency Lock. You'll get way more examples and audio practice to really nail this down. Start noticing these pronouns when you hear Spanish this week. like this video if it helped, subscribe for more Spanish, and I'll see you on the next one.